Wow.
recording us, sir.
Is this your boyfriend?
Mind blowing. Pakistan country.
My turn.
Look inside of that. So jiggly jiggly, wiggly wiggly. What's your name?
Watermelon.
If I get sick, you guys know why and how and where I got sick. Hello and welcome back to Living Abroad. My name is Alex, this is Palm, and today we're here in beautiful Mumbai. As you can see, the gate of India is behind us. And in today's video, we're going to show you guys what you can buy in Mumbai on the street. So some street food. Everybody says that Mumbai is expensive, but I have a feeling we can find some really good deals.
Yeah.
And the Pani Puri, I'm very curious to see what it tastes like because we've tried it in every city, right?
Yeah.
It's always a little bit different. And the chai, I wonder if it's like chai masala or if it's like the south where it's just milk and tea and that's it.
Yeah, I'm
So,
looking forward to the chai here in Mumbai.
I'm looking for the chai, I'm looking for the food. Behind us, beautiful gate of India. We'll try some food. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, Pani Puri. Boom. Look at that. Oh, spicy. And warm. Delicious though. I might have another one. Thank you. Chickpeas in this one. Open up. Okay, last one for me.
My turn.
You gotta be
Sweet,
faster.
spicy.
You gotta be faster. Here comes another one.
No, you're not ready yet.
You're not ready yet.
It's warm inside. It's so good, and the shell is kind of thick, so it's like it's kind of country.
I got a veg sandwich, and you got a.
I don't know.
It's called a dabuli, right? So that's a Gujarati dish. I think he said. I can't remember, but I'm gonna go in for the veg sandwich. They actually grill it. He's got a real
Ooh,
grill.
it's
Whoa.
really red.
Look inside of that. They got vegetable, beets, and they give you some chutney and some red sauce. I wonder if that's ketchup. Let me taste it. It's not ketchup. I like it though. I'm gonna
Really?
go for a bite. Wow, this one is crispy on the outside, really fresh. You could taste the bun being toasted, and the inside is really fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and beets. I love it. It's really healthy, I think, compared to the other things. How do you like it?
It's kind of like crunchy outside and soft inside,
Okay.
but it's kind of like salty for me.
Dabuli.
Wow, look at that
What is that?
red sauce
what is
thing
that, a pizza?
inside. Yeah,
Is that good or bad? I think it's good.
it's sweet.
Sweet.
It's sweet for no reason. I don't know where it's come
Sweet
from.
for no
Like,
reason.
but it's spicy inside and it's sweet outside.
Were you expecting the taste?
Yeah, not at all. It's a weird combination, but it's good though.
You like it?
Yeah.
Which one do you like better?
This one.
I like this one better too. Anyway, let's go out and get some more food. Well, that was really tasty. I'm really surprised with the sandwich. The one was sweet. I didn't want to try because I didn't like mayo, so she tried it for me. Right?
Yeah.
You know, I am a little bit picky when it comes to street food. Let's see if we can find some more things to eat here.
Let's go.
Let's go. How much for half a plate veg biryani?
40.
40, okay. Chalice, so now I know how to say 40. Chalice means 40. Can we get half veg biryani, please? I'm excited to try this too. Feeling. Sab kuch. What does that mean? Sab kuch. Oh, vegetable variety. Okay, so fruit juice here is super cheap. You cannot go wrong with getting one of these. I'm gonna go back there see if he's got real juice or he's gonna add some water. What's your name?
Watermelon.
No, what's your name?
I am Vinod Gupta. Sugar.
No sugar, please.
Ice.
A little ice, okay. If I get sick, you guys know why and how and where I got sick. Oh, look who's that. Hey, Otter, what happened? I'm bad luck, huh? What's this?
Sita Farsa.
Sita first, a custard apple, okay.
Ji.
Who's that?
Papaya Kalinga, sir.
Kalinga, okay. And this is a Thai girl over there. Hi,
Ji.
Palm. Oh, look at his knife skills. Acha.
अरे चाचा क्या पता
No sugar, boy.
लिटिल
Oh, why do you think you're helping me?
सर थोड़ा था
Oh, rata. How do you say shit? Right in there. I like all those. Cold, okay. That's
You are
okay.
from country?
Canada.
अरे
Hey.
India. Pakistan border? Oh no.
Boo, Pakistan.
Right.
That's it.
Sir, poor Pakistan country. Dirty man.
There goes all my Pakistani subscribers.
Proud. A dirty country.
Okay. He's not a fan of Pakistan.
Wow, क्या
Wow.
recording है sir. Mind blowing. Chacha.
Cheers.
Cheers. Moment of truth. Let's see what it tastes like. He gave me sugar even though I said I don't want sugar. He gave me ice even though I was kind of iffy. So, you know, a salesman here. I'm glad I took it. It tastes delicious, you know? Real watermelon, no added water. And this is only like 40 rupees or something, right?
30 rupees.
Wow, 30 rupees. Unfortunately, he dropped his first batch. I'm going to give him extra money just in case. I feel bad. I think I distracted him.
It's so good, guys. Cheers.
First, we have the mutton daba gosht. It looks a little runny, like the brain curry I had earlier in Delhi. Whoa! This is delicious. Nice and soft and smooth. A little bit creamy and definitely spicy. I love it. Next is the biryani rice, but so this was 150. The gosht, the plate was 40 rupees, and the naan about 20 rupees. Either way, very cheap. Here at Baghdadi's, they're famous for their caramel custard. Look at this. So jiggly jiggly, wiggly wiggly. Ah, ooh, slippery. This is incredible. It melts instantly in your mouth. It dissolves right away. It's really, really light. So for those of you that don't really like sweet things, this is a perfect option. And it's just 50 rupees. No need to go to a fancy cafe or bakery shop. Come here to Baghdadi. 40 rupees, guys. So it's chow puri, I think you said.
Yeah.
Chai puri. He corrected me, you know. Looks like crackers at the bottom. Ooh, this is hot. I can see it bubbling.
A bunch of vegetable, right?
Spicy, yeah, we like that. Man, there's like 20 layers.
Chana dal.
Dal chana, chana dal. And what's your name? What's your name?
Name Chana.
How about your name?
Name.
Yes.
Name. Yeah, Surat Bhan.
Surat Mahan. You're a very good guy. Thank you. Ooh, they give you a piece of paper. I think it's like a spoon, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. And this is called
Bhel Puseo Puri.
chow puri. Okay, well, you heard the man. That was really good. I wasn't expecting the toughness of the cracker at the bottom, but it really balances and holds everything on top of it. It's spicy, it's tad sweet, not very salty, which I like. Tom, you try it.
It looks so good. Crunchy. Wow, it's spicy.
Question is, do you like it?
I love it. And it's so cheap, just 40 rupees.
Now, if you want to take a break from the street food, you can always stop at these beautiful cafes here in Mumbai. Look what I got. I finally got myself an egg burji. I've been looking for one of these for a while, so I'm excited to try this. And we got some gosh kaima. Either way, there's some mutton dishes as well. Came with some special chapati, which is right here. I'm going to go in for a bite and tell you guys what the egg burji tastes like. Ooh, nice and buttery. I like that. Nah, I don't really like butter, so I'm going to take the front off. Let me get a big bite. Oh, yeah. Delicious. And here's some chili. Thank you. Ooh. Don't bite that. Thank you. Yeah, delicious. Oh, one more thing. I love the service here. Very professional. And the portion size are a little bit smaller, but the prices are great, so you can't go wrong with that.
This is 100.
Yeah, this is only 100 rupees, right? So you can try several different things like I am right now. Look at this one. I think this is the kaima, gosht, or either way, I can't wait to try these. Look at this here. Oh, look at all that sauce on top of that mutton. That's super tender and really creamy. I love the taste of that. This one is a different mutton. It's almost like a paste. They really, really minced it down. Wow, this one's my favorite so far. All this is only about 100 to 150 each dish. Pani puri round 2. Let's see if there's a difference between the first guy and the second guy. Can't wait. Yum, yum, yum. What's your name? Nam. I have no idea what he said, but let's try it. I think it means I pay after, maybe. A bit too sweet for my liking. Why is it warm?
Sweet.
Okay, this one, no sweet. Better?
Yeah, it's so good. I think like here different from the north that I've tried because like it's a little bit warm. But normally I try it a little bit cold. Oh, thank
What is
you.
that? Oh, true friendship, huh? Yes, please. Oh, look at them go. Ingredients going in. Peppers, chilies, tomatoes. What is that? Salt. I have no idea. Cardamom. Cumin. Eggs. Man, we got a long stick or a knife. Oil. Spam. Man, Indians love oil. That's one thing I've noticed. So if you're all about the health, maybe that's not the place for you. There's more oil than egg. This is called omelette pow.
Yeah.
Okay, look at all that oil up in there. What's your name?
Sonu.
Suno. Is this your boyfriend? Yeah. All right. Very nice. What's your name? Reza. I've never had an omelet sandwich before, but now we know pow means sandwich. I keep seeing PAV everywhere. So whatever, omelet pow means omelet sandwich. Chicken pow, I guess chicken pow. Aloo, which is potato now. I'm learning Hindi, right? So aloo is potato. This is the omelet pow. I can't wait to try it. Too bad it's not the morning, but it doesn't matter. We're out here on the streets just trying random foods. And it's only 30 rupees. Can you believe that? Oh, less than 50 cents, like 40 cents. You can't even buy a single egg in Canada for that. Maybe you can, but anyway, you get what I mean. It's expensive. Let me know what you can get for about 40 cents in your country. I guarantee you it won't be an omelet sandwich, that's for sure. One thing here, you gotta be very clear about what you ordered no matter where you go, because sometimes they're just being friendly, trying to give you more than what you ordered. It happens to me all the time. I order one thing and get many more. But this is the omelet pow. Check that out. Whoa, ho, ho.
Are you okay?
Ooh, that pepper hit me right in the throat. Nice and spicy. And surprisingly, it doesn't taste like oily at all. I was a bit worried when you squirted all that oil. It's gonna be too oily, but dry right now. It's really, really yummy. Highly recommend this. Only 30 rupees per sandwich.
Time to taste it. It's hard. Like it's good because like the bread it's really thin and it's also like the skin is crunchy. I love it. It's spicy.
Here right now at Egg Pramacha Chaha, right across the omelet guy. We decided to wash that omelet down with some chai, right? So if you want to see, I'm making a whole chai video. Hit the bell notification. I'm going to try the best chai in Mumbai. So that's coming up after this video. But for now, let's check out some chai. He seems to have some pakora, some samosa, maybe some other delicacies, some delicious foods in there. I'm going to try a few of those, tell you guys what those taste like too, and how much they cost. Let's go. One onion pakora, one samosa, and 2 chai. Yes. He's a boss man, telling him what to do, right? So. What is it? No, here's okay. We'll eat it here. Yes, thank you. So over here they'll say take out or take away. They say parcel. You hear parcel means to go, you know. Oh, we got some peppers. We got the chai, and I'm making it back there. Thank you. What's your name? Yes, that's good enough. Tasting. Look how small these cups are. Probably 5 rupees. Here are the plates. We got just one samosa, onion pakora, because we're going to be eating all day, so I got to save some room in my stomach. It's a little bit warm, so that's good. I love warm or hot food. A lot less colorful than some other cities like Jaipur or Jodhpur. Anyway, let's see. Woo! Whoa! So spicy. I love it. Could dip into green chutney and red chili. Get that nice and flavorful. This samosa is not sour like some other ones we've had, especially in Jodhpur. They made some really sour samosas, and it doesn't have too many different ingredients, not too many vegetables, mainly potato. But I love potato, so it's good for me. This is basically onions breaded in flour, essentially. I love that. Wow, delicious. Pom, you have to try this. It's really tasty. And I don't know how they get this pepper on here. It's got a real cool texture. So we're gonna finish off this video with some capsa. Now you can see here, it's got pieces of lamb here, rice, eggs, tomatoes, beets, carrots, all kinds of things. And they give you this really, really thick curry. Now I know this is very popular in Saudi Arabia, but I never thought I could see this in India. I'm gonna take a bite straight
Yeah.
out of this lamb leg and see what it tastes like.
And look at the place, so big.
Wow,
So good.
amazing. This is so tender and flavorful. I wonder how long they marinated. Take a dip with that sauce.
I'll try this one first. It's so big, guys.
Mmm. How is it?
Spicy.
Ooh,
Spicy and salty a little bit, but like of course they have like good smell of herbs.
I wonder if you can finish this off. And that was it for this video, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video. Oh, one more thing before we go. Here is some Indian dessert. This one is called Ferni. I think it's pistachios. I have no idea what's inside of it. I think it's rice pudding. So the Ferni and the caramel custard was included with that Capsa that we got. I can taste like rose water, for sure. Tastes like chai, but in like solid form.
I think I used to try this in Delhi before and then I love it.
Okay, you love it. Last one, caramel custard cake. There we go. Oh yeah. You could taste the egg in that one much more. I think I like the Fernie better. You want to try it? You like it?
I don't like it at all.
She don't like it. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you. There you go. Try that out.